PointKit allows you to automate complex mesh processing tasks using a Python interface. To get started, go to Tools and then Scripting. Here, you can select the script that you want to run, click Run, and you'll see it shows up in our recent script list. Here, I've loaded up a basic script that will read meshes from PointKit, call fast alignment on them, and then pass that data back into PointKit. It does that using a global PointKit meshes variable. After you've initialized your scripting interface, you can read from this variable and pass that along to your mesh list. Similarly, once you've finished with the operations, you can pass that data back into PointKit using that same variable. Let's load up another example. Here, I'm running finalize on all of my meshes. We also see that any print statements, as well as any errors that happen, are both piped to the output window here. With scripting, you can do operations a lot faster than you otherwise would in the UI. For example, this LOD packager will decimate to 60, 30, and 10% and save them in different folders. Now, because I didn't rewrite back to this PointKit meshes variable, this mesh is the exact same that it was as I first loaded it. And all of my LODs are just saved in the folders that we specifically wrote them to. So data that's passed back and forth between PointKit is only as you specifically write to and from the PointKit meshes variable. For all of the documentation on PointKitPy, if you click on Help, it'll load up this documentation window that allows you to see all of the methods that are available, as well as some basic and complex examples. You can also read more about how the PointKit meshes global variable works.